In the early years of the 21st century, in a hitherto conventional corner of the UK media galaxy, something very odd was about to happen. Driven to mild distraction by multiple ingest, inefficient workflows and second-rate interior design, life forms, known locally as executives, were hatching a polite but nonetheless revolutionary plan to harness the combined intellect and catering facilities of two great media companies. An intergalactic alliance was born. Its goal, to create a totally file-based and end-to-end solution for Virgin Media TV's broadcast chain. In short, to rid the universe of videotape. The vehicle for this great change? The Creative Village, where browse functionality and desktop editing would streamline the production process, where the peoples of planet Creative and Compliance would live out a future-focused and cost-effective existence in a softly lit and color-coordinated environment, and where executives would ultimately enshrine the legacy of their experience in the form of an entertaining but vaguely derivative multimedia PowerPoint presentation. Ladies and gentlemen, and anyone else who's passing, Virgin Media TV and RedBeeMedia proudly present the Content Owner's Guide to the Tapeless Galaxy. So what was the answer to the ultimate question of the tapeless universe, content management, and everything? Well, in Virgin Media TV's case, it might have looked like this, or like this. Fortunately, greater minds prevailed, and the final answer looked something like this. Built around the three core elements of digital asset management, something called a workflow engine and a creative village. But as it's been clinically proven that intense study of process maps makes the human brain explode, let's simplify things a little. Imagine, like Virgin Media TV, you have an asset that needs managing. For example, Wonder Woman. Lovely, isn't she? Now multiply that by 100 or so episodes. In our ultimate answer scenario, those 100 episodes are ingested at RedBeeMedia's broadcast center and via the workflow engine made available for viewing, editing, playout and data archiving. Nothing revolutionary about that, you might think, but here's the really clever part. Via a network connection and driven once again by the workflow engine, the lovely Linda, times 100, now pops up 6 miles away on the Great Portland Street server, where she can be browsed and edited by the promo and compliance teams. Once they're done, the workflow engine whisks her back out west to the broadcast center, where all her various edited elements are scheduled for transmission. So a truly end-to-end answer to the ultimate question. But it's only when you add in all of Virgin Media TV's other programming that you will fully understand the scale of the solution. Having solved the problem of the ultimate question of the tapeless universe and everything, RedBeeMedia can apply this solution anywhere in the known media galaxy, and with 1 or 2 enhancements make content available on any platform. This modified solution RedBeeMedia calls Digital Hive. If Wonder Woman can be digitally shunted back and forth across London, there's nothing to stop her popping up on a server somewhere far off and exotic, like Belgium, or indeed multiple locations with RedBeeMedia's broadcast centre acting as a central hub. The remote locations can have the same post-production capacity as Virgin Media TV, but with the added option of local linear playout or distribution. Meanwhile, back in London, playout is not the only game in town. With its multi-platform translation devices, Digital Hive can take Wonder Woman to places she's never been before. Mobile, broadband, and video iPod. Digital Hive, file-based and end-to-end, it's RedBeeMedia's answer to the ultimate question of the tapeless universe. With knobs on.